Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the cycle. Sit, drop your shoulders, and bring your hands to heart level. This short change lowers tremor leverage. Next, apply gentle heat, 5 minutes with warm water or a pad, because warmth relaxes muscles and slows nerve firing. While doing that, slow your breathing to about 6 breaths per minute so your autonomic state calms. Once done, keep hands supported. Make sure to avoid caffeine or sudden movements that reignite shaking. You now build control by engaging muscles deliberately. Apply isometric holds, pressing palms or fingers together for 10 to 15 seconds. This recruits motor units and temporarily steadies output. Then, do slow to fast fine motor drills, thumb to finger taps, because graded practice improves coordination and reduces erratic firing. If needed, add light weight like a 0.5 to 1 lb cuff or small object to increase proprioceptive feedback. Make sure to rest between sets. Once comfortable, you finish by choosing maintenance. If warmth caused more tremor, switch to a brief cool compress for 2 to 3 minutes to lower hyperactivity. Then integrate a daily routine, 5 to 10 minutes of breathing, isometrics, and coordination drills, so gains stick. Make sure to track triggers, caffeine, sleep, and medication changes because that data guides next steps. If shaking remains severe or worsens despite these methods, contact a clinician. Bring notes on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.